Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Spotify account on mobile. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. First up, let's just go ahead and open up our Play Store or App Store. Alright, now go ahead and go to the search bar right here and type in Spotify. Once that's done, just hit on search or find and then click on install. Now, once you have it installed, just gotta tap on it to open it up. Now, once it loads, you'll be able to see a sign up or login button. Just go ahead and select sign up for free and type down your email address, okay? Or if you could go ahead and choose login with Google if you want to as well. So for example, I'm just gonna be using maybe this account. Just tap on it and wait for it to load. And there you have it. You just successfully created your Spotify account. There might be some instance where if you want to create an account, it will just ask you your birth date. Okay, just go ahead and type down your birth date, and once done, you're good to go. Now, if you want to get a premium Spotify subscription, just go ahead over to the comment section below. Right here, just tap on the comments and you'll be able to see a link in here. Okay, just tap on this link. Wait for the website to load. Now, once the site loads, go ahead and scroll down and find Spotify. Right here, as you can see, for as low as $2.42 per month, you can now enjoy Spotify without ads. Just hit on purchase now. All right, and select either 12 or 6 months in here, and here's the total. Now, if you want to save more, just go ahead and tap on this have a promo code section, tap on it. Now enter the code GUMMY or GUMY and hit on apply. There you go. That is now $19.59. Now just go ahead over to this button that says go to payment and continue with the payment process. After that, you'll have your Spotify Premium and seamlessly listen to music without ads. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.